Chaga chaga choo choo. What's up, guys? AK Crazy Russian with DCCTRAIN LLC Malchain Store in Cincinnati, Ohio. How are ya? So today we are kind of without my schedule. Honestly, it was a little bit messed up lately, but welcome to Railfan on the web, our good friends railstream.net, the link in the description. Also, I'm not gonna show it right now because we need like full screen for that presentation. So what's happening? It's just a little bit unusual. So, you know, I'm doing plug and play, hardwired mostly. Some very hard to like even to open like plug and play decoder installation. So I just don't know much about the newer models, you know, because it's obviously supposed to be very easy. But yesterday I got like when I was at the store, I got like tons of phone calls from our customers who are very good with electronics, but asking me tons of questions about that. I just switched to different camera. Tons of questions about 21 pin decoder and select by ESU like sound, and it just like on and on and on create me like completely crazy, you know, and I want to see what's going on. So anyway, this is Scale-Train's latest model of SD40-2s. Okay, we sold, I don't know, maybe like 150 of them, something like this. So the model is very popular. It's good. There are two versions, my understanding. Okay, guys, bear with me. Hey, I've got an S. Yes, CSX, my man. How are ya? Yeah, it's very nice. But did you get the sound version? And again, we guys on the live channel, so you can ask questions on that subject. You can ask questions after we finish it, like on different aspects. If it's not very complicated, I'll try to tell you right away. Go ahead, my man. Tell me, sound or not? Okay. So, and I'll ask more questions because depends on what you answer. So, for example, CSX 8840, our everyday viewer, got that engine, and that's my understanding. Just bear with me. It's still flashing in modern locomotives. Okay, with ESU lock sound with the new power pack. Okay, I see. The new power pack. What do you mean new power pack? Means the special device providing extra power so the engine won't stop on like dead frog or something? What do you mean, my man? New power pack. Okay, let me know, please. So because it depends, it's very good questions. I want to cover most. So I'm like, with all my experience with electronics, that engine has a new ASU direct board. Okay, new. That's what we're going to do. We're going to open it. Yeah, because I don't want to speculate of anything. I can guess, and I'm usually very good on guessing. Okay, that's the reason we're not on main channel. If I'll do shorter presentation because we're going like step by step. We're going to read manual. We're going to check all those boards, 21 pin boards, 21 pin decoder. I don't have right now 21 pin ESU lock sound, but it's in the engine. Okay, I think so. If it's select, now here's the deal. Mostly of my installations, again, I barely using 6 functions decoder, barely, very rare. Okay, I did with some crazy lights effect in steam engine recently, maybe like 3-4 months ago. I didn't do videos though. I just finished Big Boy, but it's require only 4 functions. Actually, the guy doesn't want to soothe any smoke generator, so I have to use like extra green one, the output one. Okay, the first auxiliary output. So going back to the kind of not understanding. So let's get step by step. So ESU, my understanding, again, I never touch 6-function ESU because I don't think so anybody going to buy it. You know, it's especially designed for the manufacturer. Okay. And what's the point? I'll put select on. Yeah, it will be nice have a board, but sometimes the board is too thick, you know, and it's just right under the size of. If I'm going to the tender anyway, so yeah, I can put 21-pin board. Okay, there is ESU 21-pin board. Let's open it. CSX, my man, are you still here? I think we scared away one. Somebody tried to be here. Okay, this is, we got it last year, a lot of them, for my Markland conversions, for a lot of different stuff, European conversions, for convenience, because mostly people using 21-pin, even starting here, okay, 21-pin decoders, okay? So that's the board, and there is a manual with a diagram of every single pad where it's supposed to be connected. Oh, I think 6 went bye-bye, but that's okay. That's okay. This is, guys, you can watch it later. Again, I didn't plan it to do it. I just cannot wait till tomorrow. That's crazy. We'll maybe get somebody else. All right, so this is the diagram. Okay, this is diagram for that 21-pin board. You can download it from the website. I'm not going to review it right now. So my point is, if you want to be a little bit modern with installations, you're using that board, okay? 8-pin plug, or you have more than 2 directional lights and 2 outputs for another. Yeah, actually more than 1 output, because 8-pin is getting obsolete. It's only literally 1 plug pin with the green color. That's auxiliary 1. Okay, that's it. So if you want to put violet color, the second auxiliary output, usually it's NMRA diagram color. You're out of luck because there is no pin. But 21-pin supposed to be, again, I never use it, 6 functions total. Okay, you can remap them, all for the lights, all for some other effects, whatever. Okay, so let me disconnect it, my camera. We don't need it really. So camera. All right, and we just need more space. We're just going step by step. This is 21-pin standard, and this is newer decoder as well, to save you guys a little bit money. Again, my mostly installation, they're sound decoders. Guys who are using operations, they don't want the sound. Okay, that's 21-pin, new ESU, number of that decoder 53614. So you can see it better here, I hope. 53614, a little bit more crazy lights, but that's okay. So brand new, and what we can read here, all right? Brand new standard. Okay. Looks like it has Railcom Plus. Okay. We can do another video. I'll test it. My software is not, my ecos is not set up, but we can do it later. I just want to, I'm anxious to go inside of that engine, or at least like maybe we just figure out reading the manual, okay? You back, my man, CSX? Yes. So what it says, all standard stuff, da-da-da-da-da-da, runs DC and coreless motors. That's great as usual. 4 clearly functions output. 4 powered outputs with overload protection. So if I short somehow, okay, shorten it, and I'll reset the decoder, and it should be functional, unless it's like something crazy happening, means there's some voltage going to the transistor output or whatever on the chip. How they integrate it, not sure right now. The rest of them pretty much back MF again, guys. It's all standard stuff with Railcom. Okay, that's which is nice. If you have ECOS, it will detect all parameters and everything. It's not saying, and again, I'm speculating. Maybe I'll need to put camera so you guys see me. Again, it's not saying in the manual. It's possible, only possible. It has 2 logical output. Okay, it's like in a firmware here, coming out to the special board, 21 pin, with 2 functions. After doing this, they will become powered functions. Okay, so it's like a couple of pieces of electronics make them like regular output from the decoder. Okay, but they cannot be controlled without features of that decoder. It's not saying me anything in here, in that they have logical outputs. Okay, I checked the website already. Maybe I'm missing something. We're just doing this together, guys. Okay, we're on the same page. All right, let's go back, put that thing out, and we have 21 pin board. Okay, so now it's on address 3. That's fine, and I have a program, means my Rocco set with address 3, so it won't take longer for us to figure out everything. Okay, and test it. We're doing quick. Okay, I want to read manual first. Okay, we'll just put it. Let's open it so you can guys just look at it. Oh, nice. So what's this? Oh, no. No. This is our next step. Put it back. Okay. This is non-sound version, okay? Put it back. We need sound version. I'll be back right there. And it's actually perfect. I have an S as well. Ta-da! So it says Rivet counter, DCC and sound. Just make sure you're buying. If you still can order, it means if somebody cares, care that. And the price will be much higher, sure. That's funny. Okay, I want to read the manual. You guys look at the engine. Okay, I'm reading the manual from scratch. Usually I'm not reading the manual, but my strong recommendation, guys, read the manual before it messes up. Okay, DCC, we're just doing really quick. That's what I'm doing this kind of on purpose, so it's like your first time opening it, engine from scale trains, you know, that's what you see. Okay, disassembly. In order to remove the body, a total of 2 small Phillips head screwdrivers must be removed from each. We'll see this. Then disassembling each unit, it's recommended in place upside down into the foam cradle. Yes, we have the from damage. Being that's good. No diagrams of the disassembling, so it's obviously very simple. Okay, basic DCC. All right, basic DCC DC instruction. I'm just going briefly. If something important I will read for you. So the prototype, the model is meticulously designed. Ta-da-da-dam. DCC and sound equipped SD40-2 models include onboard sound system. Okay, great. Featuring speakers. Also include our sound, the horn, bell, various. Okay. Startup cycle. Like, yeah, startup cycle is very important. You cannot bypass it unless it's different decoder type. Okay, so what you need to do is there is like a formula what they're doing in DC startup sequence CVs. Okay, as soon as significant electrical power, so in DC you need to pretty much crank the throttle to get to the starting procedure. Okay, if you wish for the sound to be on upon layout power, please change the following CVs. Gives you CVs. Okay. Okay, so sound will be like immediately, I guess. Okay, so it's not, that's what, we don't need this, we need something. Okay, more important. Okay, headlights function F0. Classification lights F5. Great. Okay, so they're putting website with classification lights effect. Okay, cool. Ditch lights F6. Great. So now we have already 4 functions. If ditch lights, that's what my question. If the ditch lights are alternating, so what it says, equipped with the working front and rear ditch lights per prototype. Also per prototype, the ditch lights will flash when the horn is blown. Okay, we're already using 5 functions. Okay, so why 5? Okay, I'll put camera back on me so you can see. So why 5? Okay, headlight, rear light, 2 functions. Now, classification lights, function 3. Okay, so we need 3 already. Ditch lights, if they alternating, we need another 2. Okay, so we're already at 5. So if we need another effect, the sound, I'm sorry, not effect, the lights, controllable lights, we need another function. Okay, ESU power pack, sound equipped, models equipped. Okay, power pack, yes, energy storage. Sorry, it's every company call them different, so I forgot. Okay, guys, yes, power pack energy storage into the locomotive. Yes, it's great. It's great idea. I really like it. So yeah, you're spending a little bit extra cash, but it's worth it. Believe me, it's all good. So function mapping. F1 bell, horn, F2, F3 coupler, same thing, guys. F4 dynamic brake, classification lights, F5, F6 ditch lights, F7 effect light, beacons, etc. Okay, that's another question. Okay, we're going deep into it. F8 turns the prime mover, F9 drive hold. CSU website for information. F10 independent brake. I think they changed something. We're not going to focusing on this today. F11 manual radiator fan. F12. I'm sorry. F11 manual radiator fan. F12 dimming headlight dimmer. Okay. Really don't care now about it. Okay, we have like function button and sound slots. That's important. I'm not gonna, we just tested. If you have questions, we'll go through this. Sorry, if it's upside down, guys, that's okay, because it's almost impossible for me to read it quick for you. Yes, so that diagram, this diagram, will tells us some stories about how everything working supposed to be. Okay, good. Now let's go to the model. All right, how we doing? Maybe I need a little bit beer or something. Okay. See, we got them like a week ago, 8 days ago. They all gone pretty much. I think it's only like two for stock right now. You know, we sell them on our online store for a couple of days. That's crazy, guys. Seriously, yes. So we have 3 viewers. This channel is not popular. That's the reason, and I'm not sure if it's going to be popular. Like if I'm doing this on main channel, let me put my camera. So if I'm doing this on main channel, believe me, a lot of people won't be happy about it, you know, because they just want some of them wants the video. That's the reason I create that channel, so we can chat about different stuff, about like focusing on specific aspect of talking about different problems and stuff like this. Okay, the number boards are only directional. You cannot turn them off. Bingo. See, we guys interacting. Perfect. We will test it. You cannot turn them off. I see. So number boards, same output with some not really electronics on the same function with headlights. I got different information from the guy, our customer, good customer, friend of the store, called me yesterday. Okay, that's the reason, and he's not sure either because he doesn't have the sound unit, my man. Okay, let's go. Cyclones. It's a Cincinnati hockey team. Okay, Logitech top. All right. Cool. iPack. We have a chassis unit out of the box, so I know how to pack. No problem. All right. So yeah. I got a little bit difficult. Okay, I think we don't need that. Yes, we can put it. Oh, we can put that away. So, so the guy probably wants. The confusion began. Our guy, our friend. Mr. M, let's put this way, he wants number board separate function, okay? And when we talked yesterday, I don't know what to tell him because I don't know how they make everything, how they trace all wires and which function. So not touching it means I literally, guys, cannot tell you. The Rivet counter, right? The other engine, that chassis, it's just DCC ready, has probably like 21 dummy plug and 21 pin dummy plug, so it's not gonna work. Okay, let's make it nice on a stand. All right, I really like to make it on a stand, nice and cool. Hold on, we'll do it proper way. Okay, we'll do it like that. Okay, guys, I cannot get those stands anymore. All right, it's older Marklin. There are some alternative Chinese manufacturer, but I cannot get its Marklin. Cannot get it. That's it. They gone. The company not exist. Marklin bought that company, and Marklin pretty much have trouble from 2000, mid of 2000, 2005. Yeah, so it's all history now, unfortunately. But again, there is alternative company. I think just search for like roller stands, something like this, and you definitely find it. Maybe not like super good quality, again, not sure, but gives you some something, at least for testing. Okay, A couple of adjustments, bear with me. So here we go. You need to do it twice. So to adjust that, getting close, cool. All right, here we go. Next time, probably next video, if I cannot figure out that Select has a new feature of, if Select has Railcom, that's a little bit, that's confusing too. Okay, so let's just go step by step. I'm seriously overexcited. All those news. All right, so we're going to the test mode. I tried to pull. I forgot my longer cable, but I think we can get. Yeah, we're cool right there. You can see it. So I'll press all those functions. That's no problem. Okay, let's read it. Make sure everything's cool. I have a old black box programmer who is familiar with Lens. Lens not dealing with DCC, my understanding. Okay, it's address 3, so we're cool. But it was like joint venture product. So we have 3 here. Don't want to really, guys, mess with. Maybe we'll do this. Oh yeah. So you can see the lights, and you can see the functions and everything. Is that cool? If you type plus, so I can see it's good for you guys. All right, plus or yes or good or something. Okay, we have 3 watchers. All right, should be good. You guys hear me? Okay, I hope it's good. Maybe just guys watching but not really following. That's fine. So what I'm doing right now, I'm hitting function 0. It's here for the lights, and I think it's forward. Oh no, forward. Nothing. Should be good because I got it to work. Huh. Interesting. Oh no, it's good. Confusion. Yeah, it won't move. Yes, till it's finished starting. Oh, my mic up. Okay. Is this better with the mic, my man? Let me see what I can do more. Oh no. This should this way. Yeah. Is that better a little bit? Oh, probably too hot. All right. Okay, cool. All right. So it's I'll shut it down. Or we can change CVs to lower the volume, you know, so it's not a big deal. Okay. Now I need a... Oh, the number board's already on. All right. I see. Let's turn lights down. Okay. So looks like that's the headlights. All right. I believe number board's just sitting on. Let me turn it down. Turn it down sound. So gotcha. Your turning sound functions on the number boards. Turns them immediately on. but the motor is working right now, so I can control it, right? So let me do more investigation. So we're turning the headlight opposite direction. Here we go. I'm not turning sound. Okay, it's forward right now. Next, what they saying, F5 is, maybe F5 will work only when it's working. No. F5 classification lights. Okay, let's turn it on. See, the number boards turn on again. Yes, I just quickly turn the function F8, the sound on and off, right? F10, why I need an F10? No. Yeah, it just like kicks again. F1 for the bell. Now F2, and they should alternating. That's cool. I'm changing direction actually, okay? And the ditch lights in the back is on right now. So they kind of just changing with direction. Yes, it's possible. Okay, let's turn it off. I need to digest it. I don't think there is any more functions left for number boards. It has front and rear flashing ditch lights. Yes, it looks to me. They're talking about classification lights. My man, again, I'm European modeler. Classification lights means, are they like under the hood someplace? I'm not seeing here on that model, okay? Can you, my man, tell me please, real quick? I really appreciate it. So the lights working without sound, unless I'm pressing F8, and the stuff, the number boards just map to that functions, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, it looks like 5 to me, because they controlling by independent. See, they controlling by independent function. So rear lights, headlights, 2 function. Ditch lights, 2 ditch lights alternating, right? And classification light, or what's this, beacon or something. This is again function 5 to me. All right, tell me if I'm wrong, because this is separate output for the number boards. See, it's operating with the function 8, or I can remap it to different functions completely, like 20 or something. If I don't want to turn the sound, and number boards will pop up. Make sense, my man? Yeah, see? Separate function 1. Ditch lights, I'm sorry, the headlights is different, because say I going forward and I press F6, they will turn off. And if I'm pressing F5, I'm not seeing anything. Maybe it's like under. No, sorry. So F5 in an S version, I guess. Only chassis CSX has class lights. Perfect. Okay, thank you, my man. See, I'm learning with you guys a lot of US trains, a lot. All right, so let's go back to, so you can see my crazy Russian face in the corner. I'm not gonna make it like huge. We'll just go over again. All right, I'll just put it here. Yeah. This is Rocco mouse controller. If who is not familiar, but very good stuff. Very good stuff. All right, where's FaceTime? Okay, we'll make. Okay, so summarizing, it's still using 5 functions. Okay, 5 independent functions. Oh, BN has a class lights. Okay, cool. That's what I'm seeing. 2 headlights, headlight and rear light. I'm just calling them headlight, yes, but 2 headlight and rear light. Okay, 3. Okay, that number boards. Okay, on F8, right? 4 and 5. 4 and 5, alternating ditch lights. 5 functions, guys. I'm not seeing 4. Okay? So the 6th, theoretically, will go, since, I guess, CSX, my man, correct me if I'm wrong, if it's that chassis unit, right? I don't think so. They even they have... let's assuming they have ditch lights, right? They may be constant, or maybe they don't have ditch lights. So it will be beacon or something else. All right. So I think we cover a lot of new stuff. Okay. I don't think so. I'm going to open right now that engine. At least I never opened them. Maybe. Means it's obviously 5 functions. That's no questions about it. Yeah, means I thought something going on, something I don't understand. No, that's clear to me. They're using 5 functions at this time. All right. So let me just put that away. Maybe I'll take a small break and kind of think a little bit. Where's my... see what I can do about it. Yeah, we scared away all all viewers, man. Hey, Sparky, my man. Sparky not scared away. How are you, man? Did you get your, or is that out of your era? SD, that scale trains, my man? Again, guys, I never open it. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Don't really want to mess with it so far at this point. So I think it should be the top and couplers. Yeah, I'll take a break. Oh, you got 2 of them. Where did you get them? Someplace else. I get from your Canadian guys or from US. That's okay. You don't need the answer, my man. That's cool. Yeah, because the announcement was like forever ago. Oh man, take your time. There is no problem at all, my man. Okay, absolutely. From scale trains, yeah. From us, you will get probably like tiny discount, but right, means they all pretty much gone right now. Not taking a chance. Hey, big boy, my man, what's going on? First time here? I'm not recognizing your ID YouTube channel. Let me check your channel real quick. The rest of the guys I know. Go to channel. Yeah, I think I'm guys taking break. Let's see. I really want to open it. Oh wait, yeah, we subbed. Okay, I know you. I know you. We just exchanged subscription recently. That's cool. Okay, guys, let me take a break. Figure out what I learn. Okay, maybe not wasting your time. I'll just open model and offline and show you. Okay, maybe that's just better idea. Okay. So I'm not like getting crazy because I'm crazy Russian. Cool. I have a chassis. I definitely will open chassis. We'll do it probably through the week for Wednesday to give all information to Rob so he can explain in normal English to our guys what needs to be done to make them that operational. But again, at that point, that decoder has 5 function. It's 21 pin or something else. I don't know. That's speculation. But it's select Wednesday evening. Yes, Wednesday evening store open 6 to 8. Rob is working. I'm working. I need to deliver clear message to him. Okay, so I have like 2 days to figure out everything. Clear message because forums people confuse. Too much functions for different settings, with the different ditch lights, beacon lights, classification lights. So that needs to be clear. Cool. All right. So I'm not sure if I'll do presentation later again, guys, or do it on Wednesday evening, like late evening. We'll see. Okay. But I'm going to dig to the bottom of it. Cool. Thanks for watching. You might see later some. Just be ready. maybe maybe another live stream will pop up. Cool, guys. Thanks for coming. We'll knock it down like 100%. All right. Have a good one. Bye. Chaga chaga choo choo.